Can I tell you something interesting? Most people think wealth comes from buying what everyone is buying, but the truth is, some of the best opportunities are usually what people overlook. While everyone is focusing on regular land, smart investors are positioning in assets that can produce value over time. Welcome to Nova Palm City. We are on site today, and this is more than just land. Nova Palm City is an oil palm estate designed for people who want to own a real asset with long-term potential. Here is how it works. You secure your farm units and the plantation is professionally managed. From planting to maintenance and harvesting, there's a structure in place to handle the operation. So you don't need to have farming experience, you don't need to relocate here, you don't even have to worry about day-to-day work. And here is why a lot of people find oil palm interesting. Palm oil is used in food production, cosmetics, soap, and several other industries. This means you're not just buying land and leaving it there. You are securing a productive asset designed for long-term value. We are currently in the pre-launch phase, and 1 acre is going for 5.5 million naira with an initial deposit of 1 million naira. For more information, call us today or send us a WhatsApp message. Let's get you started.